All right, let's go back to the calls right now, and we're going to stay over in West Alabama, jump from Tuscaloosa over to Cottondale now, and Joe joins us now from Cottondale. Joe, what's your question?
Yes, I was involved in a very serious accident with a girl that basically had insurance, but my medical has pretty much been exhausted from her insurance company. But I still need medical attention, and I can't get it because it's lapsed. They said that it's no more money available, and I've still got pretty serious injuries. And then my insurance company dropped me about a month and a half later. And it wasn't even my fault.
Yeah.
And, I do have an attorney that's involved, but it's like I don't know what else to do because she had a minimum insurance like you've talked about. And I just don't think it's very fair for people like us that we can't get medical attention because of this. And, I don't know what else to do. I mean, they've dragged it on for 2 years, and it's going nowhere as far as I'm concerned, and it wasn't even my fault.
Well, Joe, we're certainly sympathize with that situation, something I know you probably hear about a lot.
Yeah, I mean, this is a situation, this is, we didn't plan this.
Yeah.
This was us talking about this, and then this gentleman calling kind of in dire straits because of the situation. What can you do in this situation? Well, you've got an attorney, and presumably that attorney has got an idea about what he or she can do to try to help you. You've got minimal liability limits, which I think, like you said, may have been eaten up with the hospital bills. Maybe that's on hold. There's a lot of things that us as attorneys can do to try to weaken the blow of a big hospital bill or a big medical bill that's out there, whether or not there's health insurance involved. And then, of course, if you didn't have any uninsured motorist coverage, then you would have to look to, was there some sort of defect in the vehicle? That would be a long shot in a lot of situations, but it's not unheard of, and we do find vehicle defects that cause serious injuries. And so that would be another angle, but my guess is that your attorney has either looked into that or is looking into it. There's a lot of moving parts to something like this. It's not, I think years and years ago, when we first started practicing, it was a lot easier, it was a lot more straightforward. Now there are so many moving parts that the insurance company has a definite advantage over somebody who is either not represented or thinks that they can try to do it themselves. And a lot of times, as things can get out of hand and they can pay people where they should be paying you for your injuries. And that's just, I see it all the time. And sometimes they come, my clients come in and it's too late to undo a lot of the things that have already been done. That's why we recommend consulting, somebody as soon as possible.